Welcome back. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how the container and the container fluid works. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go into our text editor. Okay, so already I have a file that I've created to differentiate the container and the container fluid. Alright, so this is no different from what we have been doing in our HTML5. Right, we started the doc type HTML5 element. We give it the root element, which is the HTML5. We give it a head element, and inside the head element we have the meta element, we have the link, and we have the title. Right, so inside the root element now we created a body element where we'll put the content of our web page. All right, and inside for this particular page, index.html, I'm trying to show you the difference between container and container fluid. All right, so for this one now, I'm using the class container. Okay, I'm using the class container. I created a div, and inside the div I created a h1 tag, which gives the heading tag of first Bootstrap page. Okay, and a p tag, which gives the paragraph of this is my first Bootstrap page. So with this now, we are going to spot the difference between the container class and the container fluid class, right? So let's go into I created another HTML file called trial.html which I have already created a class called container fluid. So I'm just going to use these two to show you the difference between the container and the container fluid. All right, let's see how that looks on the browser. Okay, I'm just going to refresh this again. All right, come here and refresh this. Okay, so now for this particular page you're seeing here, that's starting from the edge of my screen, this is the container fluid class. This is how a container fluid class, this is how your content will look like if you put it in a container fluid class. All right, but if you have a container, just a container class, this is how it will look, because a container provides a fixed width for your content, while container fluid takes the full width of your screen. All right, so this is just the difference. I hope you can see the difference. This is the container fluid class, and for this is the container class. All right, so the container class takes just a fixed width of your screen, be it your phone, your laptop, your desktop, or your TV screen. Why the container fluid takes the full width of the screen. Okay, so that will be all for this tutorial. Now the next tutorial will be the illustration of Bootstrap 5 grid system. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.